Hello friends! In this video, I would like to give an overview of our new theme update version 4.18.3.b. In this release, we have added and changed a lot of different functionality to make using the theme even more convenient. Let's go through the most important points, and the list of all changes, as always, is available on the Release List tab in our store or in our documentation in the corresponding section. First, let's go through the new functionalities, and then through the changed ones. A fixed panel with filters and categories is now available for all devices. Previously, it was only on mobile, but now it is displayed on desktop and tablet. We also changed its design and content. This type is very suitable and widely used in modern online clothing stores. Here we can also see a Filters button that opens a sidebar with all the filters. You can control its display in the theme settings in the Category section through the option Enable a fixed panel with the Categories and Filters buttons. For desktop and tablet display, in addition to these settings, you also need to switch to the new version of the ULT11 layout. You can update the layout yourself by following the instructions in the documentation, or order a special theme and layout update service from us. And let's see how it looks on mobile devices. We can immediately notice the new functionality in the category block. New settings allow you to limit the display of subcategories in the list and show the number of products in each category. Let's also check this block in its default place. We have also changed the display of horizontal filters. Now they are displayed in one row with the scroll and navigation arrows, which appear if the filter buttons do not fit into the accessible area of the block. In the color scheme settings in the container's header section, we have added a new setting, Height for Horizontal Menu, which allows you to change the height of the horizontal menu area in the header. Now it has become much easier to manage the height of the header and customize it to suit you. Let's also check how it looks with a thin version. In the theme settings, in the product lists section, in the price display format setting, we have added 4 new options. For all types of price formats, the coloring and position of price-related elements have been changed. Let's see what all of them look like. In the theme settings, in the Show More section, we have added a new pagination mode, semi-automatically. This mode works as follows. The first time we need to press the button manually, and then all subsequent downloads will be done automatically. Here we can notice a new setting, Show the number of loaded products. It allows you to display in the Show More button the number of products loaded in one iteration. Works only in the paginator operating mode, by clicking a button and for the first iteration of the semi-automatic mode. It looks like this. In the color scheme settings, we have added a Tabs Style setting, which adds 4 options for tab design. Let's look at them one by one. In the admin panel on the Marketing Banners page, we have added the ability to mass group and ungroup banners. Now it has become much more convenient to operate this mechanism. Let's create a group first and see how it works. We can also notice that the group expansion state is preserved. When the page is reloaded, we see that previously expanded groups remain expanded and do not reset their state. In the settings of the extended banner for the background image, we have added the ability to cut several images and select the appropriate one depending on the screen resolution when the high DPI support module is active. This was done for the purpose of optimization. Previously, when loading images of X2 size for Retina displays and on regular screens, an oversized photo was loaded. It is also now possible to add different background videos for different languages. In the advanced banner settings, we added autologon when going to the banner preview. Also, for the banner preview, automatic saving of selected settings has been added when the page is reloaded. We have added a setting for switching the appearance of a category for different devices. The setting allows you to set an individual category page display template for each device separately. And finally, from the new functionality, on the shopping cart page for goods, we have added the ability to copy the product code. Now let's go over the changed functionality. In this release, we have changed the display by sticky block setting. Now it is available for all devices and also allows you to choose a display position at the top or bottom of the site. The panel design has also been changed. This is what it looks like now on the PC version. We have changed the logic for displaying the bottom sticky bar and the panel with the Buy button on the product page in the mobile version. Now, if the Buy button is within the visibility of the screen, the bottom panel is displayed, and if it is outside the screen, then the panel with the Buy button is shown instead. We have changed the color scheme setting, round corners for interface elements. Added options, do not use, slight roundness, strong roundness. This change allows for more flexible control over the rounding of elements. On the product page, we have changed the design of the product variation selection elements. Now the design inherits the color of the Buy button, which gives unity of style. Also, the dimensions have become more compact and neat. And this is what it looks like when selecting variations from the list. We also slightly changed the design of product reviews. And here we can also notice a change in the design of the product combinations block. And the last change that I would like to highlight is the new order and logic of settings in menu blocks, positions, names, descriptions, and tips. Also in this release, we completely redesigned all types of menus, fixed all known bugs related to the menu, and improved the appearance and adaptability. If you previously had a problem with PNG icons, this has now been fixed and you can upload them and not be afraid of a white background appearing. We've also adjusted the size of menu icons so they load at the correct small size, making page loading even more optimized. And here's how you can now set up a fixed menu. Moreover, it can be set like this on any page you desire, without the need to add a special wrapper as before. That's all, friends. Subscribe to our channel and other social networks to always stay up to date with all the updates and new solutions from the Alex Branding team.